welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a thoughts on video on this Sephora The Essential Kit. So I haven't really tried out a lot of like Sephora favorites or Sephora branded items, but lately in the last I would say year or two, I have had friends who told me, their products are just as great as the other ones from bigger brands, but at a more affordable price because this is Sephora's brand itself. So I decided to purchase one of these, which is their skincare line. I did try out the hyaluronic acid prior to purchasing this because my friend had it and we were on a trip together and she was like, hey, try this out. And I was like, oh, it's not bad at all. So of course, if you order one of these boxes online, you should use Rakuten, which is basically essentially like Ebates. You get a cashback website. It's just they changed their name to Rakuten. It's made for basically residents in the US and in Canada. So if you guys haven't signed up for one of those, make sure you do. My referral code is in the description box down below. Very shameless kind of plug in. But aside from that, Sephora does offer, I think, a few percent cashback. So you know what, in the long run, you do get some money back for purchasing items off their website. But anyways, with that being said, I did buy this for, it says here it retails for 25 Canadian, but I believe I purchased it for $27. I just checked, it does say $27 Canadian, and I guess it says $20 US. I did purchase this box like a few months ago, so I'm not sure, did price go up because people really liked it or whatnot. So it's basically an essential kit for your skin, so skincare routine. So we have here a clean skin gel which it cleanses and tones. This is a clarifying mask, and this is the hyaluronic acid, which basically helps you moisturize. So I have tried out all three of them for about a week and have seen, some good results, I would say. Or maybe it's just I've been really lazy with my skincare that, just by using this for a whole week, my skin has thanked me for it. Anyhow, let me get into each product and let you guys know what are my thoughts. I'm gonna start off with the cleanser. That's this one right here, and it also tones. There was something that I really liked about all of the skincare is the scent. The scent actually smells really good. It smells like candy, like a very, very sweet type of candy. So I really, really like this. Personally, I think the consistency of this is quite more of a liquidy side, so it's not very thick. It's very gentle on the skin. So for people who actually cleanse their face in the morning, aside from just using water and a face cloth, then this I think is a lot better for a morning routine than it is for a nighttime routine. For me, nighttime, it's because I've already had on a full face or, just some makeup at the very least. I tend to like to use something that's a little bit more stronger, little bit more like deep cleanse so that it gets into my skin and actually removes any of the impurities versus something that I would use in the morning because I would have already cleansed the night before going to sleep. That honestly, what would have been on my face could have been, what's on my pillowcase, or just basically maybe I sweated over the night, something like that. So it doesn't require too much in terms of cleansing. Some gentle cleanse would do. So I really like the fact that this would do the job. And given the fact that it is 4.22 fluid ounce, which is 125 milliliters, it's a fair bit in terms of product. Unfortunately, it is not something that you can take on the plane because it's definitely more than 100 milliliters. Moving along to the, I would say it's the clarifying mask. This, I have to say, I've only used it about twice since I've got it. So this one is more of a purifying mud mask. So you leave it on and then you rinse it off kind of thing. This is also, to me, quite thick, but then again, it does remind me a lot of another one that I've used in the past, and the name of it just totally escapes my mind, but it works really well. Of course, you turn on this color and then basically you just wash it off. This one has a different scent from the other two, I would say. It is more like a mud mask, so it's not the best scent, but it doesn't linger. It's just when it's on your face, you do smell it a little bit more. And last that's in this kit would be the All Day Hydrator, which has hyaluronic acid. This could be used day or night all over your face and your neck. I also think this has a more gentle and watery consistency in comparison to like other ones that I've used in the past in terms of hyaluronic acid products for moisturizing your skin. So overall, it's not bad. This is a 50 milliliter, which also means you can take this on the plane with you on a carry-on. So that's always nice, right? Because there are limitations in terms of what you can bring and what you can't. So it's great in terms of size. I believe you could probably purchase a larger size if you choose to use this at home more often. So those are the 3 products in this essential kit. Overall, I think the price point wise, it's not bad for whether it's $27 or $25 Canadian for 3 products just to try out their line is not bad at all. And you know, you do get quite a bit of product to actually fully try it out and not just like, you know, travel size, which may last you a week or 2 weeks. With that being said, because it's called the Essential Kit, I feel like there may be maybe a few other items that they're missing in this kit. For example, like I would appreciate that if it would have, you know, maybe a lip scrub, right? You know, like if it's a full skincare routine, I might as well have something that, you know, moisturizes my lips, whether it's a lip scrub or a lip balm included. And of course, maybe like an eye cream or an eye mask, or even a sheet mask. As much as there's this purifying mud mask, well, is there a hydrating one to also try it out to see, you know, based on this essential kit, I feel like, you know, something like this would be useful. Anyhow, those are my thoughts on this. Of course, if you do end up purchasing it, let me know how you guys feel with these products in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Anyhow, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if so, remember to give me that thumbs up. I do try to upload new videos on this channel, so make sure you are subscribed and turn on that little bell for notification. I shall see you guys in my next one. Bye!